Do you know how much the human body is worth? $45 million. It's crazy, right? That was according to a study done by Data Genetics that just was recently published in Wired magazine. You know, our body is one of our biggest assets, and we really have to take care of it. You know, if we want to have a vibrant, happy life and be productive and hit our goals and just really have a lot of self-confidence and be able to really show up for our lives, we have to take care of our body. So today I want to talk to you guys about my weight loss journey and how I adopted the law of attraction mindset so that I could, live a more nutritious, healthy lifestyle. And then I also want to tell you the exact mechanisms and how I did that. So here we go. Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Matt Jones and I help people to empower their lives. So we are talking about my weight loss journey that I adopted with the law of attraction lifestyle. So I want to really talk to you guys about the importance of my health journey and just health in general. You know, if we want to show up for our lives, if we want to be there for our relationship, if we want to be there for our job, if we want to be there for our kids, if we want to be there for our business, there's 100 reasons, to get healthy. And it's the main secret towards productivity, I think. It's having energy, right? We need to have energy, and we need to be able to raise our vibrations if we want to accomplish anything. So weight loss is really going to get you guys there. And I want to kind of just tell you a little bit of my story and kind of why I wanted to get there and how I got there. So, basically I was about to become a father and I was really overweight, and, I just didn't want to not be able to show up for my family, for my wife and for my son that was about to enter the world. When you become a new parent, you're not going to get a lot of sleep. So I didn't want to be lackadaisical on top of that. And so I decided that I instead of just losing weight, I want to adopt a new lifestyle, right? So I'm not going to talk a lot about law of attraction in this. I have other law of attraction videos if you guys want to go more in depth. But basic premise of law of attraction is that you attract what you think and feel. All right. So I really felt that I was overweight. I felt just miserable, and I didn't like it. And so I really thought about it, and I really felt it, and how good it would make me feel to look in the mirror and feel better about myself, to wake up and have more energy and be able to be more just vibrant and thrive and everything. So I said, I'm going to do it. I'm going to attract this new lifestyle. I'm going to be a better father, a better husband, and I'm just going to go for it. And, I didn't have a lot of time. I was working full time. And, I needed something that was simple and something that was effective that I could just start right away, and I didn't want to eat this salad diet. I don't want to go on this crazy diet, not be able to enjoy eating. I do enjoy eating, and so I decided that I'm going to do it. And luckily I found it, and it's completely changed my life. And I've gotten my family on it. I've gotten my coworkers on it. I've just told strangers about it. I was like a poster boy for nutrition, and I am not a nutrition expert. I am not a gym expert, but I did my own research, and I was just kind of sick of listening to so many people, and I tested it and I tried it, and it worked for me, and it's completely changed my life. When you're overweight, it is just, it's terrible, and you put your body at risk for a lot of terrible things. You put yourself at risk for diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease, fatty liver disease, kidney disease, and you just have no energy. You can't live a vibrant life that way. So I decided that I'm going to go for it. And so what I did was, and I'm sure maybe many of you have probably heard of this, is I did intermittent fasting. Okay, and a lot of people, whenever I've said that, a lot of people like get afraid, like fasting. That doesn't sound safe, like not eating food. Well, let me assure you guys, it's completely safe. As a matter of fact, it's better for your body than stuffing it with food all the time. There's a lot of things we've been taught, I think, growing up. We've been really misled. When you start to do the research and you start to study the facts and what the human body has been used to for millions of years, you learn that it's actually a very natural thing, and it's been practiced for thousands of years. And so fasting basically is, it's food restriction during certain periods of the day. So there's certain periods of the morning you don't eat, and certain periods at night that you don't eat, but you still have a eating window during the day where you actually eat. And I'll go into a little bit more detail in just a moment. But some of the benefits of fasting, besides just losing weight, includes regulating your blood pressure. It also improves your blood sugar levels. It also reduces cholesterol. It boosts your brain function and helps to get rid of neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's and dementia. And it's been known to also aid in cancer prevention. That's crazy, right? And it's also been known to elongate your life. It actually slows the aging process. So there's no downside here, guys, for fasting. You definitely want to do it. And this was the secret for me that really just kind of kicked everything off and got it all started. When you say, I want to lose weight, when you focus on losing, that kind of has a negative connotation to it. Your subconscious mind isn't going to like hearing that it's losing something, and you feel like you're sacrificing. So if you want to adopt something, if you want to become something, you want to attract it. If you want to attract a skinny body, if you want to attract a healthier body, you have to become it. So you should start thinking about, instead of losing weight, think about, I am adopting a healthier lifestyle. I don't like the idea of diet. I like the idea of living a new lifestyle. I want to become this person. I value my health. I want to be a healthier person. I want to show up for my life, and I want to have more vitality, So you definitely want to think about it as adopting a new lifestyle, and it'll be a lot easier because you're training your subconscious mind every day to form a new habit going, I'm going to make new decisions. I'm going to make a new food decision tonight. I'm not going to go get fast food. All right, I'm going to go buy some healthy ingredients, and I'm going to cook tonight. And I'm going to also, develop my habits. I never cooked before, so I'm going to start cooking some more. And, I'm going to do that with healthy meals. So that's how you do it. So intermittent fasting, the way you do it, the way I did it, that seems to work the best. There's lots of types of fast. People do juice fasts, water fasts. I didn't want to do that. I felt like I wanted to still have a good sense of energy throughout the day so I could, be good at my job, be there for my family. And so it might work for some of you, and I just preferred to do it this way. So I used this fasting window, and I think it's the most common for most people who practice intermittent fasting, and it's 16-8. So you don't eat for 16 hours, and your eating window is 8 hours. Okay? And that sounds crazy, not eating for 16 hours, but it's really not. If you consider that you eat or you sleep for 8 hours during the night. So the best way to think about it is really you're just skipping breakfast. Okay, what I did was my eating window would be from noon to 8 p.m. at night. Okay, so basically I would wake up in the morning, I will just drink water, and I'll still have coffee in the morning. You can still drink coffee on this. You just can't use any additives like milk and cream, right, and sugar. You can use stevia, which is an all-natural sweetener, and that won't ruin your fast at all. So in the morning, I would get my lunch ready and I would cook, so I could start eating right at noon. And then you can eat throughout that window. And then when you get home, when you have dinner, just make sure you're done by 8 p.m. and then you're done. That's it. That's intermittent fasting. And I would do this in the beginning, 4 to 5 days a week, even 6 days a week, just to really, cut the fat really fast. And guys, in 10 weeks, I lost 40 pounds. 40 pounds in 10 weeks. The first month, I lost 20 pounds. The first month, I lost 20 pounds. The second month, I only lost 10 pounds because, I didn't exercise very much. I was really busy and I was a new father. And then I decided to get back on it like really crazy. And then in 2 weeks, I lost another 10 pounds. So in 10 weeks, 40 pounds, guys. That's it. I couldn't believe it. It changed my life. It was like a magic pill or something. And I've fallen off the wagon. I live in the UK now, and when I moved here, I was under a lot of stress, and things just there's a lot of changes, and I gained weight again, and I'm actually getting back on my weight loss journey again. And so I've been doing periodic fasting for the last 2 weeks, and I've lost 7 pounds, and that's like without doing anything. So this is something that you can always come back to, and you're not starving yourself. You're eating really, really good food. And that brings me to the next thing. So number 2, first thing is intermittent fasting. So adopt that. And the second thing is ketogenic diet. Okay, and maybe you've heard this before. And so the ketogenic diet is a low carb, high fat diet and a medium amount of protein. And the reason it's called the ketogenic diet is because your body goes into what's known as ketosis. So when your body doesn't have carbs to burn for energy, it looks to other sources. So what it does is learn to find your fat storages and use those for energy instead. And your liver produces these things in that process called ketones to help with that fat burning process. So that's why it's called the ketogenic diet. And so I adopted this diet. I prefer it as the ketogenic lifestyle. But when you adopt this ketogenic diet with intermittent fasting, your body becomes a fat burning machine. It is insane. And that's why I lost the weight so fast. And I wasn't starving myself. I mean, I was eating really, really good food. I made a nice 14-day plan of good ketogenic approved foods. And when I say fat, I don't mean just like eating bacon cheeseburgers, even though I would eat bacon cheeseburgers, protein styles, over lettuce and like a side of beans, and it was fantastic. It was like a gourmet burger, and so I would eat like a lot of good fats like avocados, in my meals, and nuts and things like salmon, right? Fish and eggs and these things that have, really good fats. You can't just, eat, really bad fried, saturated food. So I adopted things like, so chicken Cobb salad with cottage cheese. Let's see. Oh yeah, on Tuesdays I had a Taco Tuesday salad with ground beef, lettuce, sour cream, avocado. I would have, low carb chicken quesadillas, Mexican style beef mince. I obviously love Mexican food, so I would make these really healthy Mexican style foods. Tuna avocado salad with hard boiled eggs, salmon with asparagus. Let's see what else I had. Chicken breast with cheese, turkey topped with cheese and mushrooms, more grilled salmon. Also, I would have during the days I would adopt these snacks of, peanut butter on celery, cheese strings. Cheese is good. Beef jerky. Oh, Philly cheesesteak casserole. Yeah, that is a good one. Garlic and herb buttered shrimp with zucchini noodles. I mean, guys, you you are eating so good. These are really nice meals. And, when I just decided to make this decision to adopt the healthy lifestyle, that was it for me. And I never looked back. And I've been that same ever since. And, when you decide to attract a new lifestyle, you empower your subconscious mind when you make a new decision, and so, the more you do this daily, it becomes a habit, and you go, I'm a new person. I'm a healthier person. I'm a healthier person. I'm a healthier person. And that empowers you more than going, oh, I have to lose weight. Oh, I have to lose these great foods. Oh, I have to lose all these things that I love. You think of it more as gaining something, right? You're gaining this healthier, vibrant lifestyle. So, guys, this has completely changed my life, and you can do it so easily. And if you're interested in, learning more of the details of how I did this, you can click the link below, and I have more information about my weight loss journey. You can get the 14-day meal plan that I have, and the other thing was exercise. So, I said, I'm really busy. I work full time. I'm a new dad. And, I said, I'm going to give myself 3 days a week to work out. 3 days. Did I work out 3 days a week? Heck no. Some weeks it would be 2, and many weeks it was 1. So, you guys, if you have more time in your life, you might be able to even lose more weight than I did. So, what I would do is I would look up workouts that I could do at home, because I didn't always have time to make it to the gym, right? So I looked up high intensity interval training. These are known as Hiit workouts. So I would do a lot of these different calisthenics and Hiit workouts at home. So, this whole thing, it really saved me money. I mean, I was eating food I enjoy. I saved money because I wasn't eating as much. And, I did all these workouts that, were going to save me money because I eventually stopped going to the gym, So I adopted all these things, and I put it into a plan. So if you guys are interested in it, check it out. Link below, the Life 2.0 Total Body Transformation. I think, guys, it's just about really making changes. And if you're sick and tired of, being overweight, you're sick of how you look, if you want to have a little bit more confidence in your life, it really turns everything around for you. To be able to do anything great in our lives, to have the success we want, we got to have energy. We are vibrational beings who run on energy, and that's what it comes down to. So that's how I lost my weight, adopting the law of attraction lifestyle and just making those changes little by little. And I hope that, this has given you guys some value. And, if you've done this before, if you've done fasting or the ketogenic diet, please leave a comment for other people so that, they're getting recommendations from other people, not just me. And guys, you can look this stuff up. Look up fasting. Look up the documentaries on Amazon, online about fasting and all the benefits besides, just losing weight. It's insane. So try this, guys, and I guarantee you'll have results within the first 72 hours. Just stay strict to it. 16-8, try to make better food choices, and you will lose weight. And this is going to blow your mind, and you're going to want to tell everybody about it the same way I'm telling you guys. Okay, so that's it for me, guys. So please let me know what you thought of the video. And if you got some value out of this, please click the like button and subscribe. I'm going to come out with a lot more videos like this. It's my purpose to create and inspire and help and empower others. So if you have suggestions for other videos that you'd like to hear from me, please leave that in the comments as well. All right, guys. So just want to wish you all the best, lots of love, health, and success. Bye, guys.